Hey friends, if the DNS server is not responding on your Windows 11 computer, if you encounter this specific error while trying to access websites, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first and most obvious resolution is to use Google's DNS. How will we do this? Press the Windows key and the R button together. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection and select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select this option for use the following DNS server addresses and make sure that this is 8.8.8.8 and the alternative one is 8.8.4.4. Then click on OK to save the settings and make sure that this one is selected at obtain an IP address automatically. Save the settings and click on OK. Now this should solve the problem for most of the users, but if it doesn't, then try the second solution. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. Once it has successfully flushed the DNS, you can also type the command ipconfig /register DNS and hit enter, and this will re-register the DNS. The next solution is a network reset. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced settings. Now click on network reset and then click on reset now corresponding to network reset. The next solution is to run a network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Now select other troubleshooters. Corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter, click on run. The last solution is to update the network adapter drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. And in the device manager window, expand the list of network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi 5 adapter and select on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.